Hi, I am Jacinta Steele from Atlanta, Georgia. I am here with Let Sparks Fly Travel Group, and this is my second trip. My first trip was to Ghana back in March 2024. And then I saw Swiss Noel and I jumped on it immediately. Not only did I do that, but I also incorporated both of my kids. I really wanted a meaningful experience, something that they typically wouldn't do for themselves, or that we don't see people typically do for ourselves. And I just wanted my kids to be able to experience this once in their lifetime if they never choose to come back. So my daughter is here. One of them did make it, one of them had to work. This experience has been something out of a movie, seriously. The backdrop to most love stories. I haven't found that perfect man yet. My car didn't break down and he didn't come save me. However, there's still hope because this trip was absolutely wonderful. The Glacier 3000, I have never seen anything of that magnitude. The mountains, the view, absolutely stunning. The accommodations, I would like to speak a little bit on that as well. Top notch. Shanique has excellent taste when it comes to these accommodations. You will not be disappointed. And it was the same for us in Ghana. Experiencing this with my daughter, I want to touch on that. It's nothing like it. It's absolutely nothing like exposing your children to a different life, a different way of doing things. It really opens them up to a different way of thinking and understanding there are different people out there. It's more than just your backyard. You have to get out and explore. And I just truly want people to do that. Just do it. Thank you.